Welcome to ABA Business, your seamless online banking solution. Making a local bank transfer to a single beneficiary has never been easier. To make a single local bank transfer, log in to your ABA Business. Click Transfer screen on the side panel. Click the floating button on bottom left and choose New Local Transfer from the options. In the local bank transfer form, select the account from which you will make payment. After that, choose the beneficiary of your transfer. Choose the transfer currency and enter the amount. And select the date when you want to pay. For your own reference, you can provide purpose of transfer. Click Next button and accept terms and conditions. And click Submit. Use ABA Business app to scan the QR code. You have successfully submitted the local bank transfer instruction, and it is now pending authorization within your company. In order to complete the transaction, authorizer needs to sign in. Go to Authorization page and click on New Local Transfer, which is pending authorization. As an authorizer, you can choose to decline or approve the instruction. To finish the process, use the ABA Business app to scan the QR code. ABA Business, smart and simple way to manage your company's finances.